Okay, here we have a press release that's actually technically quite old. It's dating from October of 2023, but only recently being covered, and it's covering a very interesting topic, a very important topic actually when it comes to food in general, and that is black soldier fly. Often shorthand is BSF, black soldier fly, the acronym, and it's just something that has been witnessed in recent years at conferences that we've attended. Something that is everybody that's in the business is saying this is something that's really outstanding. Many companies in Southeast Asia have sort of dipped their toes into the industry with really amazing results. A lot of news coming out from the industry, so let's just jump in. It says here, title of article, Beta Bugs secures £1.72 million to boost sustainable animal feed. This is from Scottish Financial News. Scottish biotech firm Beta Bugs Limited, specialising in insect genetics, has garnered £1.72 million investment to bolster its production and supply of black soldier fly eggs and larvae to the insect farming sector as a sustainable alternative to current sources of protein for animal feed. Article begins by stating the funding round was led by the TRICAPITAL Syndicate LLP with participation from SIS Ventures, Scottish Enterprise, Beeches Group, Climate.vc, together with existing shareholders in the business, and InnovateUK. Based in Edinburgh, Beta Bugs has developed the UK's first comprehensive selective breeding program and egg production site for the black soldier fly, which is farmed as an alternative protein source for use in aquaculture, pork, and poultry feed, and can be reared on various waste streams, including agricultural and food waste. The article continues, black soldier fly farming provides a green, circular, and regionally produced alternative to the environmentally damaging production of soy meal and fish meal, one of the prime causes of deforestation, biodiversity loss, and overfishing. With the global population forecast to reach 9.7 billion by 2050, livestock farming will require an additional 539 million hectares of habitat using current conventional methods, equating to an area 44 times the size of Scotland, to produce the necessary protein to feed this growing population. Although these insects have been farmed commercially for the past decade, black soldier fly have not, until now, been genetically improved for large-scale production. By improving black soldier fly genetic performance and supplying it at commercially meaningful scales, Beta Bugs provides superior larvae with which insect producers can increase both protein yield and quality for animal feed, enabling it to eventually compete with soy and fish meal on price. Established in 2017 by CEO and founder Thomas Farrugia, Beta Bugs is based in the Easter Bush campus, a center of excellence for animal science and home to the Roslin Institute, renowned center for animal genetics. The business currently employs a team of 12 and will be looking to recruit another 4 full-time commercial and technical staff over the coming months. As part of its growth plans, Beta Bugs has also appointed Chris Richards as non-executive chair. Mr. Richards is a recognized veteran of the international agribusiness industry with broad experience of building science-based businesses into successful enterprises. Mr. Farrugia said, Beta Bugs has applied its industry-leading products to an increasing number of established and new entrant insect farmers in the United Kingdom and international markets. The company continues to develop its outstanding hyperfly breeding program, which has demonstrated consistent increases in black soldier fly genetic performance across multiple economically valuable production traits. Completing this investment will allow us to expand production capacity, drive to profitability over the coming 18 to 24 months, and further strengthen our market leadership position in the strategically important insect farming industry. Moray Martin, managing partner of the TriCapital Syndicate, said insect farming is increasingly seen as a sustainable alternative protein source that could help mitigate the predicted increase in protein demand over the coming decades. The significantly lower environmental impact of insect farming places the sector at the forefront of sustainable food source development. In that context, we are delighted to be able to support the acceleration of Beta Bugs to commercial scale. Carrie Sharp, Director of Entrepreneurship and Investment at Scottish Enterprise, said, We have supported BetaBugs through our high growth ventures team as well as financially, and this recent investment will help the company fly high as it expands the team and continues to develop sustainable and innovative insect protein solutions. It's a great example of Scottish biotech scale up, providing value in the supply chain for the agricultural industry and with benefits for the economy and environment. Aaron Dewar, Executive Director of SIS Ventures, said, "As the UK's only insect genetics company, BetaBugs is laying the foundation for a more sustainable global feed system. By creating jobs and diverting waste from its groundbreaking breeding program, the business will deliver significant impact here in Scotland, with the potential to deliver even greater impact globally as the business grows and scales. We're very happy to welcome Thomas and the team into the SIS Ventures portfolio and look forward to helping them achieve their impact goals." End of article. So in summary from this article, yes, it's technically from many months back. It says here that the competitive advantage is that this one is seeking genetic performance. So the breeding, so there's higher protein, higher yield. The black soldier fly will therefore be of higher quality, and then they're solving many sort of big picture problems. They're the only one in the United Kingdom that is actually this sort of niche for improving the actual genetics of the black soldier fly. And then it says here that they're hoping in the next 18 to 24 months to actually achieve profitability. And the sooner that they do that, of course, would be the better they can do follow-on rounds, or at least continue to strike partnerships at the B2C or B2B level, and then hopefully continue to organically grow their team as they scale further and grow their revenues. It's a very great article when it comes to covering the industry of BSF, black soldier fly, because that is something that, in our opinion, is just it's underexploited, it's under researched, it's underutilized. There's immense room for improvement, and it is also like other types of sustenance farming and backyard farming, if you will. Anybody can technically do it as long as they have the right starter toolkit. The problem is when these companies want to scale it and do it at an industrial level. That's where the venture capital model comes into play, where you need financing, you need funds up front. But if they're trying to, again, bridge that gap, then this is a great case study of them projecting and forecasting that they're going to achieve profitability in less than 2 years. And at this point in time, could be a year plus, a year and a half at this point. So hopefully they get to the target as soon as possible to have a super exciting case study of them breeding BSF and then having a growing list of clients and partners. And then they might have perhaps potentially even intellectual property, as they are the only ones in the United Kingdom that are breeding for traits and high yield and high protein and similar genetic results. So well done to them, and looking forward to seeing how fast they can achieve break even and profitability in the near future.